Hello guys, welcome to Cruise Control. Say goodbye to the Logan MCV multi-convivial vehicle, maximum capacity vehicle, and hello to the Jogger, a new smallish family car from budget-friendly brand Dacia. The Renault-owned marque is revealing the car's outdoorsy name ahead of Friday's online debut, and it carries the same suffix as the hugely popular Duster SUV. The new teaser video seemingly confirms we are dealing with a wagon version of the Logan sedan sundoor hatchback, complete with rugged stepway cues and the same lovely orange paint. The brief video shows quarter glass that pops out along with the same nifty roof bars as the sundoor stepway where they can be positioned both longitudinally and transversely. Available with a choice of 5 or 7 seats, the Jogger has Volvo S taillights with Dacia's Y-shaped graphics and an upright rear end to maximize cargo capacity. The headlights seem to be largely carried over from the latest Logan sundoor twins and should have standard LEDs for the daytime running lights and the short beam. The interior cabin has not been previewed so far, but with Dacia being all about cost cutting to drop the prices as much as possible, expect the dashboard to be virtually carried over from the sundoor stepway pictured below. It will be vastly more practical thanks to its 3-row layout or a 2-row configuration with a huge cargo area behind the rearmost seats. While Dacia offers great value for money, there are many people complaining about the lack of a more powerful engine in the Logan and sundoor. It remains to be seen whether the Jogger will offer a 4-cylinder unit as opposed to the sedan and hatchback duo available strictly with naturally aspirated and turbocharged 3-pot mills. It would make sense to add a beefier engine considering the new wagon will be bigger and therefore heavier, especially with 7 people or the cargo area completely full. Following the world premiere scheduled to take place on September 3rd, the new Dacia Jogger will be showcased at IAA Munich next week. It should go on sale either by the year's end or early 2022. Whether you agree or disagree with my views, I love to read your comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe everyone.